Hello everyone, this is Derek from Sunglory. We are professional A to Z solution provider of thermal flask projects. We can help you set up your own production line in your country. Our machine can make different products like tumbler, thermal flask, vacuum flask, single wall bottom, and double wall bottom. In past 6 years, we have set up more than 36 production lines. 90% of our customers can cover the investment within 6 to 12 months. And we also have our 7 global service centers in India, Turkey, Bangladesh, Mexico, and so on. We can help you install and debug the machine, training your worker how to operate the machine. We were taking trial before shipment after our customer confirmed, because we respond for the final result for our customer.
Hi, I am Franz. I am authorized engineer of Sunglory. I have 17 years experience in automation production line. I am responsible for all project maintenance and installation.
我是陈信华，我是上冠的工程师，我负责飞湖线的安装、调试以及员工培训、工艺培训。
Sunglory can help you start your own factory, win more markets. You may succeed with my solution.